Know Your Rights, Chapter 8. The eighth right on the list of Know Your Rights is the right to peaceful assembly and association. You have the right to peaceful assembly and association. Section 40 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 as amended, gives every person in Nigeria the right to peaceful assembly and association. This means that you are entitled to make and mingle with friends, belong to unions, political parties, and any other association of your choice for the protection of your interests, and no person is permitted to restrain you from such association. Since we are in the season of election in our country, permit me to dwell more on your right to belong to political parties in Nigeria. Under Section 40 of the Constitution of Nigeria, among other things, you have the right to belong to any recognized political party for the purpose of protection of your interests. In other words, you are entitled to be a member of APC, PDP, LP, NNPP, ADC, NDC, and any other recognized political party in Nigeria. And after joining any political party, you have the freedom to change your political party as many times as you want, and no person is permitted to question your cross-carpeting. However, you are not permitted to belong to more than one political party at the same time. In order for you to contest the general elections in Nigeria, your political party must be one that is recognized by INEC, that is, the Independent National Electoral Commission, being the election umpire in Nigeria. Aside from being a member of a recognized political party, there are other qualifications needed for you to contest the general elections in Nigeria. For instance, in order for you to contest the election for the position of a governor of any state of the federation, you must have the following qualifications. 1. You must be a citizen of Nigeria. 2. You must be at least 35 years of age. 3. You must have been educated to secondary school certificate level or its equivalent. And 4. You must belong to a recognized political party and must have been sponsored for the election by that political party. From the above, it is clear that your right to peaceful assembly and association is guaranteed by law, and if any person violates this right, that person is subject to civil litigation, being the enforcement of your fundamental right against the person.